Hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm going to sing an original song that my sister wrote for me. She's pretty good at writing stuff, so I hope you believe in it. Exciting. You gotta believe inside your dreams, and believe inside yourself. There's no doubt in making this life happen. I need you to help me. I'll help you, 'cause we both believe in each other. Can't you see that? If you help me, then I will help you. Just believe in your dreams and you will go far. No reason you need to see anything is possible with you and me, 'cause friendship is possible, it's possible. Friendship is so possible, it's possible. If you can lend a helping hand, then you will see that forever we can be so grand. If you believe in your dreams, then you will see that anything is possible. If you believe in your dreams, then you will see anything is possible.